What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Rival Consultants, back with another video on 4 lenders that you can go to if you just got out of a bankruptcy. So there's a lot of misconceptions going around about how you build credit after a bankruptcy, this, that, and the other. But keep in mind, these banks change a lot of their policies when it comes to bankruptcies, because you have people doing fraudulent stuff. You have people that get a whole bunch of credit, max it out, wait a few months, let everything default, and then they'll file bankruptcy. And I did have $100,000 cash, for example. So the banks are constantly changing the way they do things. For example, I had a buddy that went through a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. They closed all of his accounts, and he also had to put his businesses in bankruptcy as well. So he had 3 businesses, and mind you, this is a personal bankruptcy. So he had to put all of his business into bankruptcy, pretty much. So that's just something to keep in mind moving forward. But anyway, I'll teach you guys how to build personal credit right after a bankruptcy with a few different primaries who are going to approve you, whether it be a secure card or primary or whatnot. So I'll break that down in a later video. So the first thing that we have to address is the fact that these are essentially, they operate kind of like payday loan lenders. You're going to get a loan from them, I want to say about $100 all the way up to probably about $50,000. So Op Loans is kind of one of those places that you're going to get, say, about $1,500 from. It's an easy online approval. It's a soft pull on your credit. So really no harm, no foul. If you don't get approved, just whatever. Go on to the next lender. It's a quick approval. Now, mind you, because you have a bankruptcy, you will be paying a high amount of interest, and you can get the funding up to I'll say about 24 hours. So next one is Cash USA. With these people, you can get up to $10,000. Like I said, they're an online lender. They're pretty fast. You get your funds up to like the next day. You will be paying pretty high interest. Being that you're just coming out of a bankruptcy, be looking to pay this 35.99%. But these are personal loans. You need to be 18, U.S. citizen. You want to at least make $1,000 after taxes. Anyway, you need to put about $5,000 on the loan anyway, just to kind of show that you're making a little bit more money. You need to have a checking account. Need obviously email, telephone number, work number. They may or may not ask for pay stubs, but just be prepared for anything with these online lenders. And the main thing, the potential impact, it only does a soft inquiry. So in case anybody's worried about a hard pull, it is a soft inquiry. So anyway, the next one going to be Get Funds Quickly. It's an online personal loan up to $50,000. Honestly, if you just come out of a bankruptcy, don't expect to get that 50. Expect to get something less. Shoot for the 5,000 mark. That's what I always say. But anyway, just really for anything, rent, car expenses, medical bills, different things like that. Once again, these are a soft pull, and they're from $100 to $50,000. Different things like that. So that's the next lender. So the next lender and the last lender would be CashNet USA, and essentially like a payday loan place as well. And they start with $1,500. So like I said, it's online. Decision is instant. You get funded potentially the same day, depending on what time you get it in, but expect it within 24 hours. So just like anything, you're going to be paying a high amount of interest because you come out of a bankruptcy, and they essentially operate as a payday loan spot. So anyway, guys, please like, share, subscribe to this video. Be on the lookout on how to build credit after a bankruptcy. Share this with somebody who needs it. Share somebody with someone who's going through bankruptcy, so they have an option to go to once, the bankruptcy is discharged. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Keep dropping some good information for you guys. Please keep supporting the channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. If you can't afford the credit repair services, I do sell the ebooks as well. So please follow the link in the description. And you guys have a good